Constructing your own money affirmation. Hey, Scott Haug here, and in today's video we're going to be going through constructing your own unique money affirmation that if you ingrain this into your subconscious mind, you're going to see amazing results. Now, why do we want to create a unique affirmation for you? It's because every single person is going to have one strong limiting belief around money, and that's the way you want to frame your affirmation. Now, there's 10,000 affirmations. If you just Google money affirmations, 10,000 of them are going to come up, right? But how do you know which one is the most useful for you? How do you know which one is going to be the most critical for you and the one you need to prioritize the most? In today's video, we're going to be covering that. Before we do, make sure you throw a like on the video, because as you do so, it's going to send it out to more people. And also click subscribe and click the bell icon to our channel as well, so you get notified when we send other great law of attraction, manifestation, how-to methods, exercises, everything you need. This is your go-to channel for mindset, manifestation, and all the rest. All right, so your unique money affirmation comes down to your most impressive limiting thought that's going on within yourself. We all have limiting thoughts. We all do. Even the best of the best that are out there, and we've really cleared out a lot of stuff. Sometimes they may have a limiting thought come in and they need to eliminate that, dissolve that, let that go. Okay. So what I want you to do is say your money goal out loud. It could be, I want to earn $10,000 a month, or if you do it in the present tense, I am earning $10,000 a month, or $20,000 a month, or I just now manifested $500. Whatever money manifestation you want, go ahead and write that down in the present tense. And then you're going to say that out loud. I just now manifested $2,000, for example, right? You're going to close your eyes and you're going to listen to the first limiting thought that follows. So if I said, I just now manifested $2,000, I may have a limiting thought come up. Where's the money going to come from? I can't do that. Where's that going to come from? How's the $2,000 going to come? Right? I may have one of those limiting thoughts come up. If you're doing a larger amount, like $200,000, I just manifested $200,000. You want to listen to the thoughts that follow, and you may say, there's no way, I've never done that before. Or, there's no way my family's going to believe this. They're all going to ask me for some. Or, right? See, a limiting thought is going to come up. Find the limiting thought that comes up for you and write that down. That is your most powerful limiting thought that's staying in your consciousness, that's limiting you 100% in your money game. Okay? So when you listen into that thought and you write that down, you want to realize this thought pattern is stemming from something most likely in childhood. A paradigm, a belief, somebody told you a long time ago that money was hard to get, that the more money you have, the worse it is. Any of these dumb beliefs that make no sense, right? But it could be from a parent, it could be from a friend, it could be from your educational system, the school you grew up in, the city you lived in, the country you lived in. I mean, there's so many different things that program you from an early age. But you want to realize those limiting thoughts and patterns are not you. They're somebody else. And they put that baggage right onto you. They didn't know it, but they did it. Okay? So you want to realize this baggage is not mine. This limiting thought is not who I am. I am much bigger than that. I am a soul living in this physical body. I am an expansive energy. I have a mind that can create my reality. I can change my circumstances. I can change the way I think. I can change the way I act. I can change the way I do things. I can change the way I do my job. If I have a job, I can change the way I do my business. If I have a business, I can impact my future, right? So when you're in that, you realize the awareness of I can change that belief. You want to write that the limiting belief down. Once you have that, like I mentioned, you want to go ahead and rewrite the opposite, the empowering belief. So if my mind said, where's that $2,000 going to come from? You might say, well, I know how the $2,000 is just energy. I know how the universe works, and the $2,000 will be delivered to me. Right? So you write down something that's opposite, that's more empowering. It's going to really help you to a next level, right? If your mind said, when's that money going to come? You might write down, I don't care when the money comes, because I know the universe, as long as I'm aligned, it'll come quickly, right? So again, find a way to change the limiting thought to an empowering thought and allow yourself to be saturated by that idea, by that thinking. You may want to repeat it out loud multiple times a day. You may want to visualize it. You may want to use your gratitude around it and be thankful for the result even before it comes. Any of the things work, okay? Find the exercise. We got 10,001 different exercises. If you just go and click on the playlist tab of our channel, you'll find the manifestation methods. There's over 50 videos in that one. You can find 30 plus videos in our money exercises one. So find one of the videos. If you don't know any methods or exercises, those are all there, right there for you. And allow yourself again to be saturated by the new empowering idea. This is how you create the most effective, unique affirmation for you. Don't just Google 10,000 affirmations. Find the ones that are really, really critical for you, the patterns you need to change that are existing in your programming or paradigm, that are kind of stuck there. Allow this exercise to change and open yourself up to a whole new level. Haug signing off here. I look forward to seeing you over the next video. And again, check out our playlist on manifestation methods. You go through that, you're going to have so many exercises that we give you for free. So allow yourself to really expand yourself. I want you to do really well, even better than what you're doing now, and expand yourself to a whole new level. This is your go-to channel for doing that. So again, throw a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already. I look forward to seeing you over in the next video.